Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 10th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Nokia. You guys can tell that this market has been trading sideways for a while. We want to see whether or not this stock is going to go higher in price. If so, we're going to tell you how high we're expecting it to go. And if not, we're going to tell you how low we're going to expect it to go, all without being confused. We're not one of those channels that's telling you just to buy, and continually buy, even when the market drops, continually buy, even when the market drops further, continue to buy, even when the market drops further than that, continually buy. No, that's ridiculous. If the market's going to drop, we'll tell you to sit the sidelines. It's time to go back to the dugout, wait till the market becomes more convincing and persuading that it's going to move higher in price, and then you come out of the dugout and you swing at bat, right? Be careful of those channels that is telling you to dollar cost average and wait and just buy and buy and buy. For us, you need to be self-sufficient. You need to be able to read the market for yourself, right? So that you can take your understanding and your knowledge about the market and take it anywhere you go. And you won't have to be dependent on some other person telling you when to come in and purchase a stock, or this is a buy or that is a buy. You'll know on your own, just like us. We don't need someone to come in and tell us when a particular stock is a buy or when it's a sell, or when you need to get in and then when you need to get out. We can do that on our own. And you need to get the same type of understanding yourself. So if you all appreciate that, before you head out, leave, make sure you hit the like button, share and subscribe, and also come back again and again, because you will learn a lot about how the market operates, all without being confused, right? You won't have to be listening to hours and hours of other YouTubers trying to tell you that these stocks are buys, because you'll be able to look at the chart yourself and say, I don't know what they're looking at because this chart is not telling me that at all. Or you won't have to use any technical indicators on your chart, because that only causes you more confusion. And then on top of that, you won't have to utilize any expensive trading software that these other people are trying to get you to buy, acting like you're going to get an edge in the market, and you're not. The less you have on your chart, the better you are, period. The less confused you are when you don't have a lot of those confusing indicators on your chart. It's just that simple, okay? So let's talk about Nokia real quick. Hit like, share, come back again and again and watch these videos so that you can also see what the market is anticipated to do right before it even goes there, okay? So now real quick, let me show you that this market in Nokia has just been trading sideways for a lot of years, okay? 2013, 2012 maybe. We've seen the market in Nokia come in and hug $3 all the way back up to $8, and that's about it. Right, you're not looking for a breakout up towards $36, $38 in the market in Nokia. Not yet. So let's take a look at the market real quick on a 2-day time frame and zoom in. And here you guys can tell that we've seen some actual momentum come into the market in Nokia, right? The market has definitely seen itself maintain the strength, and we are seeing the market in an upward trend. First thing. So we are in a upward trend into the market in Nokia. That's the first thing we're going to identify. Now, as I zoom out, okay, you can see here that previously, back here in 2020, this market in Nokia hit restriction at $5.15, give or take. Okay, it's nothing new. So right now, you would expect us to see weakness come through and try to push down this price in Nokia. But is that the case? Okay, so we're delineating where the market is finding support and or where it's seeing strength and weakness. This ascending line represents strength. This restriction line here represents weakness. Okay, so now we're at a crossroads right now in the market in Nokia. Right here on the 3-day time frame, the market here is still showing its ability to try to break that trend, that restriction area, that weakness. This is where the weakness came through in the market in Nokia, right? During these times. So now, obviously, you would expect us to see that again. Let's look at the market on the 5-day. The market here in Nokia on the 5-day time frame It's still showing us that it wants to go higher in price. Okay. What about on the weekly? The weekly time frame, the market in Nokia looks strong. Now, we don't have far to go before we see the next leg of selling. Okay. So even though we may be playing the strength into the market in Nokia, this is where we'll expect the market to find more restriction, which is around $5.25, $5.30. Okay. Let's look at this on a 2 weeks time frame. The 2 weeks time frame, the market in Nokia looks real strong. So we're going to continue to play the strength, but we're going to play it conservatively to maybe around $5.40. Okay. Now looking at this on a 2 weeks time frame, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market come up here and try to tag out around 550, because the spread of this current 2 week price bar emphasizes that it has the ability to at least go up to 550 to even around $6. Okay. Let me check this out on the 3 weeks time frame. So yeah, we're going to play the strength up to 550. $6 is in the realm of possibility, but it's slightly less likely to occur given the amount of restriction that is around $5 and $5.50. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let me zoom in on this. We're going to play the strength. 550 will still give us a profitability of about what, 8%. I'm going to bring it all the way up there to $6 though in the long term to allow this market in Nokia to continually trade. Okay. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Nokia. Even if this market in Nokia trades sideways and we see this market break that ascending line, so long as this market does not break below $4.50, it's going to try to continue to go high in price. Okay. That is what the market is anticipated to do. So let's go ahead and play this out. Okay, so this is it. $5.50 is the first area though that will come in and TP out the market. Some of that profit, take it off the table under the premise that that will be the next area to see restriction and selling. Okay, so at least we could come out scathed with some profit in the market in Nokia by taking some of that profit off around $5.50. And then from there, if the strength is maintained, then we'll ride it up there to $6. But until that particular moment, this is the outlook. This is the play. This is what we're seeing. And this is what we're expecting the trap to do over the next couple of trading days. So now, like I told you earlier in the video, you need to be self-sufficient and you need to read the market for yourself. So I want to give you all the opportunity to tell me, what are you seeing in the market in Nokia? You know, do you see strength? Do you see weakness? Do you need to come in and participate in this play? Or should you go back to the dugout and wait until you see another opportunity to come into the market? Let me know in the comment section as to where you think the price of Nokia is going to go. Give me your price prediction. You know, become an independent thinker. See for yourself. Learn for yourself and see what the market is telling you so that you can win in the market. This is what we're seeing. Now I want you to tell me, what do you see? Make sure you maintain that profitability. And as always, trade different.